Hey, how you doing? This is Reggie with Crypto Learning Academy, and in this video we're going to show you our back office for our cryptocurrency learning academy. Show you the gamification process, the progress feature, the certifications, and all of our different courses, so you can see the power of this and show you how we're really aiming to help you truly understand cryptocurrency in a way that's going to help you guide yourself to right investments, understanding the right technology, understanding exactly what you should do in this industry, and learn some of the best things out there, because we do realize that there's a lot of people getting into the industry and they're not for sure what they should purchase. They're not for sure what Bitcoin is to the fullest, or some of these other cryptocurrencies. They don't really know what it is. So our goal is to make sure that you truly understand it and we can take your learning curve to a different level. So when you first get back to the Crypto Learning Academy back office, you'll notice that we have different courses that's already back here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the depth of the different courses so you can see how good they are and how it can work to definitely take your learning curve to the next level. So if you click on one of the actual courses, we're going to click on Know Your Cryptocurrency. The first thing you'll notice is that since I've already been here, it's going to say resume course. Anytime you leave one of our courses, you can always come back, resume the course, and it's going to take you back to that exact location that you left. So for this cryptocurrency course, this is called Know Your Cryptocurrency. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, BitShares, and all the other different ones. Our goal is to help you see that when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to blockchain, it's not all about Bitcoin. There's a lot more out there, and we're here to help you truly understand it. We're going to help you understand the technology behind these different things. So if you do decide to invest in one of these cryptocurrencies or get involved, you'll actually know more about it and you won't just do a blind investment. So if you notice, this is one of the courses and it shows the introduction, important terms to know. It talks about Bitcoin, talks about Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, BitShares, and so much more. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on resume course so you can see how it works. So when I click on resume course, I'm going to go ahead and play this video and let you see the quality of the video and exactly how it works.
In 10 years' time, it could be IOTA. IOTA is a third-generation cryptocurrency and the first that supports fast, decentralized currency transfers with quantum security. In today's crypto market space, we see a variety of specialized currencies. While Bitcoin proved that the world is ready for cryptocurrencies, its architecture does not allow trade in daily commodities.
So our goal is to help you truly understand these different currencies, and as you start to go through the courses and you complete them, the cool thing is that you actually get points for each course that you complete. Those points will be used to give you different cryptocurrency prizes. Sometimes we're going to be giving out different cryptocurrencies itself. We're going to have different competitions and cool things like that. So it's a gamification platform, and if you click on this, you'll be able to see your position. Like for instance, it says points, 10th place. It'll show you the leaderboard, who's winning, who's in first place, all the way down to the 11th place. It tells you how to collect points and all that good stuff. So we made it so it's a gamification platform, so it encourages you to want to do more, and it encourages you to actually move through the different courses and learn exactly what's back here. So as you click on marked as complete or any of the different things, you then see different things, like it goes deeper into detail, and after you go into these details and you learn about it, we're actually making you take tests and quizzes. So if you take the test, and if it's correct or it's incorrect, you click on submit answer, and then it's going to let you know if it's wrong and you need to go through. So we will not let you go to the next course until you truly understand this, because our goal is not to just put courses out here, but we truly want you to understand what the course is about and how it works. So we put it in a way that it's really going to force you to educate yourself on these different things. So if you ever want to go back to any of the other ones, like what is Ethereum, it goes deep into detail about Ethereum. If you click on complete, same situation, it's more deeper detail, and it's just going to go through more. Like this is another one that goes through.
What is Litecoin?
What is Litecoin? So we have different things that we put back here to truly help you to understand the different courses and to understand, exactly what these different coins are. And if you choose to invest in one, at least you can be educated and you can know exactly what it is. So I'm going to take you back to the main screen. That's just one of our courses, and as you can see, it has a lot of detail in here, and it goes deeper into detail It helps you understand how to research new cryptos, how to use different programs and different websites and resources and cool things like that. I'm going to take you back to the home screen and show you a few more. So some people want to just learn the basics of Bitcoin or, cryptocurrency basics. So if you click on this course, it will tell you all about what this course is about. Tells you about the different videos. This is a 10 video, or this is an 8 video course. So if you click on go to the course, you'll then be able to get to this course, and it's going to go through the details just like it before. After you go through the different videos, you'll get to a point that you actually complete it. When you do complete the course, the coolest thing is that you actually get certifications for these different courses. Having a certification is very important because it gives you the ability to tell people you really know about cryptocurrency, or you really know about certain ones, and it definitely puts you on a different level. We also have a feature where you will be able to export your certification directly to your LinkedIn profile if you use LinkedIn. So that's a cool feature that we decided to add in, and we're happy to know that there's a lot of people getting their certifications. They're learning the stuff, and it's really working out well. For instance, I'm going to take you through this course right here. This is a BitShares one, and it shows that it's completed. So whenever you look at the course and it shows completed, if I was to actually go to the course and click on this little icon right here, you'll see that you can download your certificate, or you can share it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download it. And so once it's done downloading, you'll be able to see the quality of the certification, how it looks. If you want to print it out, you can print it out. You can do anything that you would like to do with that certification. So once you actually open it, it's going to be a PDF file, depending on your computer. Like if you're using a Macintosh or if you're using a regular PC, this is how it's going to look. This is a PDF program. So it says Crypto Learning Academy. This certificate is awarded to. It will have your name, certificate of completion, and it says exactly the course that you took. So the more of these that you get, not only do you earn more points, but you also get to upload it to LinkedIn, like I said, or you can just print them out for your own use. We have other courses in here, and we're adding them daily. So there's always monthly, actually. Some you might get daily, some you might get monthly. But here's one about securing your wallet. So if you want to understand what Bitcoin wallets is about, we have one that truly breaks it down, like what is a Bitcoin wallet, the types of Bitcoin wallets, what's the difference between an online wallet, a desktop wallet, mobile wallet, hardware wallet, paper wallet, wallet security. That's one of the things that people do not quite understand. Sometimes you may get into the cryptocurrency industry or the niche. You may purchase Bitcoins. You can lose your Bitcoins. Your Bitcoins can get hacked. Sometimes you forget your password. All types of different things. So we're really helping you to understand how to secure your wallets, and we actually take you through all the different steps to understanding it. We also talk about certain wallets, like for instance, this is the Exodus wallet. Exodus wallet, we tell you exactly which cryptocurrencies can go into it, because not all cryptocurrencies can go into certain wallets. So we tell you about it, we break it down, we show you how to use it, and we really help you to truly understand it. So like I said, this is a very powerful platform, because if you want to get into this industry, you really truly want to educate yourself. You want to learn more and more about what's out there. You want to be more of a professional, because there's a lot of things going on in the industry. There's a lot of scams out there. We want to make sure that you protect yourself and you understand what you're doing before you get involved in anything. So we have one called Crypto Trading 101, talks about the crypto markets, talk about the different exchanges you can use, speaking the right language, making your first trade, and all kind of different cool things like that. And like I said, we're going to show you how to use the different exchanges and the different wallets. We're going to teach you about new cryptocurrencies as they come out, giving you the real technology behind it, making sure that you know what's in this industry. We have one called Beginner's Guide to Steam It 101. This is a popular social media platform that's built on the blockchain. If you haven't heard about it, this is one of the social media platforms similar to Facebook, but you can actually get paid through cryptocurrency, through the Steam profile. So if you actually go through here, it breaks it down, it shows you how to use it, tells you all about the tokens, and it helps you to truly understand what Steam it is and how to utilize it. So we have a team of researchers that's consistently out there, researching and helping people understand, what this industry is, and helping you understand what new things are coming out. So as soon as we hear about new programs or new software platforms or anything that can help our students out, we're going to always add it in there. So anytime you want to look at your progress, we have a progress bar that you can click on. It's going to show you how many assigned courses you have, how many you completed, how many logins you have for the month, how many certifications you have, how many points, what levels you have, how many badges, all that really cool stuff. And it's really broken down. The analytics are broken down in a really easy way. You can export it in Excel if you want. You can even click on infographics and it breaks it down for you. So it has your name at the top. It shows all the different things that you've been involved in. It tells you your training time, which courses that you took, how long it took, how many you actually passed, your completion rates, the badges that you received, how are you doing compared to others, what places you're in, and all that good stuff. So we really wanted to make it in a way, like I said, that's gonna encourage you to continue to learn. You'll know your progress, you'll know what's going on. We have a discussion forum that you can go to. We have different private groups that we're creating that people can go into, which is really cool. That's going to help you go forward really fast. We have a calendar of events, so whenever there's an event, you can click on calendar. It'll let you know any type of events that we have coming up or what's going on. You can send messages to different people. Like I said before, you can check out your points. You can see what levels you're at. So this is a quick overview of just the back office. We also have a private group that we have for our team and for our students that we actually do different analytics based upon charts, based upon what's coming out, and we tell you the hot things that's out. And I'm going to quickly show you that right now. So here's an example of one of the posts that we did about 6 days ago. Originally we posted a video on the 22nd of December. NEO was around $54 and we were telling people that they should get in. We actually had a chart analysis broken down that talked about exactly where NEO was going. We showed the charts and showed where it was going to go. We told people that, you know, that was part of our group, that you should probably get in. We don't tell people that we don't give financial advice, but we just do research and charts and we tell you what we feel is going to happen. So it was around $54, then it went up to $64. And if you look at the market today, at this moment, it's at $86. So imagine if you would have took the advice that we gave you and you jumped in at 52 or 54 and you were able to get it, and now it's up to 86. You would have had a really good return on your investment based upon the advice that we give you. So that's not the only one. We have plenty of more. We told people about a few more that jumped up really high, and that's part of what we do as a team. We make sure that we really understand the market. We look at the technology, we go through all the nonsense that's out there, the bad news, the good news, and we really dive deep to help our students out. So we just wanted to give you a quick preview of our secret group that we have. And also we wanted to show you our courses so you can see that the platform that you're getting involved with if you join our community, it's a very in-depth technology. It's really good information. We have researchers that go out there. We keep everybody up to date with what's going on in the industry, and we make sure that our students win. So if you want to join a community of like-minded individuals that's all about helping each other out as a community, as a family, and who really want to win big this year in 2018, then you should probably give us a try. Check out CryptoLearningAcademy.com. Get involved right away. Click on the Learning Center, and you will learn a lot more about what we do, and you'll see where we're headed in the future. Thank you very much for taking your time to view this video, and we hope you appreciated what we have to show you.